Today's video topic is how to improve sleep quality, tips for better rest and recovery. Sleep is an essential part of our daily routine, providing our bodies and minds with the rest and recovery needed to function at our best. Unfortunately, many people struggle with getting high-quality sleep, leaving them feeling tired, irritable, and unproductive during the day. If you're one of the millions of people struggling with sleep, don't worry. There are steps you can take to improve the quality of your rest. 1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. One of the best things you can do to improve sleep quality is to establish a consistent sleep schedule. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. 2. Create a relaxing sleep environment. Your sleep environment can have a big impact on the quality of your rest. Create a relaxing environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows, and consider using blackout curtains or a white noise machine to block out any outside distractions. 3. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by electronic screens can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep. To improve sleep quality, limit your screen time before bed, and avoid using electronic devices in the bedroom altogether. 4. Practice relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga can help calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. Try incorporating these practices into your bedtime routine to help you unwind and prepare for rest. 5. Avoid stimulants and heavy meals before bed. Stimulants like caffeine and nicotine can interfere with sleep quality, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Avoid consuming these substances before bed, as well as heavy meals or alcohol, which can also disrupt sleep. 6. Get regular exercise. Regular exercise can help improve sleep quality by reducing stress and anxiety, promoting relaxation, and regulating your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, but avoid exercising too close to bedtime, as this can actually make it harder to fall asleep. 7. Consider seeking professional help. Consider seeking professional help. A sleep specialist can evaluate your sleep habits and help identify any underlying conditions that may be interfering with your rest. They may also recommend treatment options like cognitive behavioral therapy or medication to help improve your sleep quality. In conclusion, getting high-quality sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. By establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing sleep environment, limiting screen time before bed, practicing relaxation techniques, avoiding stimulants and heavy meals before bed, getting regular exercise, and seeking professional help if needed, you can improve the quality of your rest and enjoy the many benefits of a good night's sleep.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.